I hope you're having a great day. Well, today I want to talk about this one simple food that grows abundantly across our country, and it's something that we should be using with the onset of winter. Now, jaggery is my favorite food. Okay, before chocolate and commercially prepared sweeteners and junk came in, India was living on jaggery. Jaggery is a warm food. It's used during the winters to warm the body. It dilates the blood vessels, allowing more blood flow, which means more warmth to our system. It can stimulate your digestive enzymes, which means you have better digestion, lesser acidity, lesser bloating, lesser gas. So besides producing digestive enzymes which helps us with digestion, it is also great for constipation, and that's why moms feed their children jaggery, and a lot of adults and elderly people also have jaggery daily after their meals. Immediately after a meal, if you have a small piece of jaggery, your brain gets a signal that it has already got something sweet, which means the cravings for more unhealthy desserts and commercially prepared sweets and chocolates and all of that stuff, we don't fall into that circle anymore. Your liver, jaggery plays a huge role in detoxifying the liver because of its key components, zinc and selenium. So it is actually used in Ayurveda and in other systems of local medicine as a detoxifier for the liver, as a purifier for the blood. Because it's rich in iron, it is a great food for women going through pregnancy, for anemic people, for people with low hemoglobin. Jaggery is given in villages with sesame seeds. You make these into little laddus, and it's given to pregnant women to also increase their iron levels in the body. And this is the reason why our elders, our grandparents, there's so much of wisdom that we can get from them. But all that wisdom has now got a huge obstacle, something called scientific research and science, which is good, which is necessary, but there are just too many people hiding behind studies done on rats and studies done on mice, when we have a whole generation that lived before us and used these common natural foods to enhance their health.